Hi, it is HardReset.Info and today I will show you how to manage Google passwords on your Samsung Galaxy A05S. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must go to the Google Chrome. In it we press three dots on the right corner and settings, where we have password manager. There we can turn on and turn off some function as save passwords, auto sign-in, or we can manage our password which our smartphone remember. To manage it we click there, and now we can copy our password, our email, username and passwords, or we can edit it. Or after we press this ice icon, our smartphone show us passwords to our Facebook Messenger account in this case. We can delete all by delete and delete passwords. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.